Hey, good evening. It is Meshell Baker. I am here. I had 206 days left in the year for some game-changing gratitude. And our focus question this evening is, where are you focused? And that's the focus question is, where are you focused? And again, this is Meshell Baker. I'm a vision mastery strategist. And, I'm going to start off by telling you a little bit about me so you can know why I love sharing this. So I have been doing vision work with people for the last 5 years. And over the last year, I went and lived, worked, and traveled out of my RV. I got back into Austin and I was here. And I also realized on the journey that I wanted to be more valuable to the people I'm called to serve. Hi, Karen, how are you? So in that desiring to give much more value, I have gotten many certifications in leadership coaching, personal development, corporate culture, and sales. So, and again, the life experience and the things and the experience with the clients. So again, it is about giving more value. So I always tell people I don't go to make more money. I actually realize that it's an exchange of value. So when I become more valuable at what I do, it requires a higher increase of pay. So that's off the subject, but I don't know why. Somebody maybe needed to hear that, but it just came out of me. Blah. So again, the question tonight is, where are you focused? Because someone I know put a post up, and I'm going to read it because it was just really powerful. And it's from Dr. Robert Schuller, and he really talked a lot about emotions and how emotions, hi Esther, how are you? How emotions will totally drain and take away your energy. So it's wherever you give your energy and attention will come back to you. So if you stay focused on the good and positive things in your life, you will automatically attract more good and positive things into your life. If you focus upon lack and negativity, then that's what you will also attract into your life. So this is why I'm asking that question, because I know I'm currently in a situation where I have my RV. It's 20 years old, and again, I wasn't 100% sure if I wanted to do it, so I didn't want to lay out all this money, and it needs a transmission. So I bought a transmission. The transmission, I had a warranty on it. Now the people with the warranty are saying they can't find a replacement because less than a week after getting it back, it went back to the old problems. My mechanic has been working diligently, but they're magically saying, oh, there's the option if you kick in another $800. And I'm like, dude, you already got, $2.5 grand. What else is there? So again, my focus could be on this because you can't live in Texas. There's no public transportation really that's happening in Austin, right? It gets you here and there, but it doesn't get you most of the places that are where I need to go. So, it could be the focus of I don't have, the lack, the problem, just the situation of like, oh my God, this is so unfair. Hi, Catherine. How are you this evening? Ross Levine from New York. Joan and Tracy and Mary. Hello, everyone. So again, what I share with people, it's the focus. There's the laws of focus. So it's the 4 laws of focus are whatever you focus on, you find. Whatever you focus on grows. Whatever you focus on seems real, and whatever you focus on, you become. So I'll say it again, for the 4 laws of focus, whatever you focus on, you find. So when you think about that, what am I looking for? Am I looking for that positivity in my life? Am I looking for what I have, or am I looking in a sense of scarcity, saying I don't have, it's unfair, it's an unfair advantage? We love a comeback story. Our country loves when people pull themselves up from their bootstraps and they make millions of dollars, or they win the Olympics, or whatever it is. We love a comeback story for everyone else, but we don't do it for ourselves. So what I'm saying is, when you focus on what you have, what you're capable of, what you can do, you will find it, right? So I don't know what this situation is meant for, except to say that I get to focus on creativity and ingenuity, on how I'm getting around, how I'm still getting things done, and how much I believe that this will not stop me. The Dream Big Bus will ride again. And I wrote a vision for a 2018 RV. So, hey, sometimes you gotta, in order for one thing to come, the other thing has to go. Does it make sense that I just paid for that and another one to come? I don't know. I am trusting that I wrote the vision and that my God whatever you want to call your creator, he is infinite, unending, and unlimited. He will provide. So I am trusting that as long as I stay positive, I will stay on the path, because know this, our God, our creator, does not exist in negativity. He only exists in love and peace. So whenever I get off of that peaceful path of positivity, of belief, then I am in the weeds. The longer I stay off that end there, the longer I stay off the path. So all that owning your feelings and staying negative, when's the last time you did something and felt negative and got on that path, and you ended up, when you finally finished sobbing and weeping and feeling sorry for yourself and complaining and telling as many people who could listen to the story of the victimization or how unfair it was, when was the last time you ended up somewhere you really wanted to be? Okay, somebody could put in chat and tell me that they ended up somewhere good, because I'm looking, right? I don't think I'm gonna get anybody to put that in chat, because we never end up anywhere good when we follow those feelings, right? The opportunity is to fight for what you believe in. And this is why I do vision, because I have seen so many times in my life where I made the choice to follow the feelings. I made the choice to believe that I wasn't good enough. I made the choice to believe that I wasn't pretty enough. I made the choice, and I'm gonna cry because this is so real, people. I made the choice to believe in my circumstances outside of myself instead of the God that was in me. So I say this to you right now: believe. Believe you are worthy. Believe you are more than enough. Our God does not, our creator does not set us up to fail. He does not set us up to look bad. All he wants is to love on us and to give us everything we've asked for. Only thing to realize is that what you're focusing on is what you don't have and what you can't do, and it makes it look like that opportunity is an obstacle or the possibility is a problem, and it's not. It's always going to be a light at the end of the tunnel. I know my mentor, I love what he says. His name is Rod Harrison, and he says that we sit there and act like there's a train coming through the tunnel when we see the light, but it's not. That light is for us to say we've passed. And all it is bringing out the value and the incredibleness and the wonderfulness that exists inside of you, but you don't know it's there until you face a challenge. You don't know what you're capable of until you've done something you've never done, gone somewhere you've never gone, stood in front of people you've never been in front of, and still shined, and still held your head up and gave a great presentation or a sale or whatever it is you do. So believe that it's all in you. It has never left. It's always been in you. And it's just waiting for you to stand in the face of fear and say, you're not real. I am, and I'm going to do this. So again, what are you focused on? Because I'm focused on creating an incredible. I'm focused on living a life that says I'm possible, not impossible, but I, apostrophe M, capital P, possible. I'm possible, and so are you. So again, this is, hello, Paul, how are you? Oh, he said Lakshmi. That's my higher name. I love to hear my higher name. Call me Lakshmi, baby. Hey, Nell. Let me see who else is here. Hey, Dennis. Dimitri, he has his C-bisms. They're awesome. I might have to start sharing them on my timeline. Hey, Stephanie, how are you? So yes, again, what you focus on, you find. And I'm telling you, I'm focused on creating incredible. You watch me. Let's go on this journey together. Post in here. What do you believe? What is possible? Reach out to me. This is all I'm about, living a life, because I have decades of doubting myself, of second guessing, of believing someone else who told me that I wasn't good enough, that I wasn't smart enough. And I know if you're listening to me this long, so have you. Time out. Time out. It's done. I'm done with that. I am fighting every day to create the habits that I speak to myself in an amazing way. And am I 100%? No. Who's 100%? I don't look for perfection. I look for persistent consistency. And I found it. And if that's what you're looking for, please reach out to me, because this is no joke. Habits are the hardest thing for any adult to create, and we know this. And this is why the attitude of gratitude, if you don't have it, it's because it's not a habit. And that's what it is. It's simply about, what am I doing every day to remind myself that right now, here, wherever I am, whatever's happening, I have enough, I am enough, and I can. I can, I will, I must, I am. These are the terms in how I speak now. I can, I will, I must, I am. I can, I will, I must, I am. Sometimes I'll say it with music on, because again, if you haven't heard me say this, it gets almost tribal. It almost starts to come and emanate from the inside of who you are. Just, I can, I will, I must, I am. I can, I will, I must, I am. You will start to believe in you like never before. So, man, I got some fire in the britches tonight, right? But dude, when he called me and told me they wanted more money for the RV that I had just paid for on a transmission with a warranty, I was like, not today. You will not steal my joy today. I'm focused on creating amazing, and I know that this too shall pass, and I know that whatever my God is delivering is going to be so amazing. It's going to blow my mind, and it's going to blow yours too. So join the journey. If you see in the post and the feed, if you're a woman, I'm starting a group with the programs I use, the 45 days to create successful habits, changed my life last year. If you're looking at me, you're seeing a slimmer me. If you know me, you know I'm getting ready to run the New York City Marathon. So many habits that I desired and could not create, that I struggled, and I kept talking about myself and treating myself so bad because I could not do the thing I knew I needed to do so I could be the person I needed to be to live the life I wanted to live. And if that's you, please reach out. Let's do this. $295 for the program, for the habit thing, and then another $200 because I'm going to do a call every Monday. I want to support you. Create a group so whoever's on this journey together, this is for women. If you're a man and you want to do it, there's men in my group who are doing the same thing. I'll connect you. But reach out to me, private message me, create the habits you want so you can have the life you want and be the person you want. This thing is a lock. These people have been doing this for almost 30 years, and it's a system that helps you so you be the habit, not the coach, not me. You become your own habit. You become your own #1 fan. And isn't that a beautiful place to be? And if you already have amazing habits, but you just got one that's bothering you, hey, let's have a conversation. Whatever. Let's chat. Okay, I'm going to go now. This is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist. This has been a beautiful night. Thank you guys so much. And again, we're creating amazing this year, and it all starts with a positive attitude, a positive mindset. So that's why I do this. Life is challenging. Life is going to throw us curveballs. So the one thing we can control are our thoughts. I've decided to use mine in favor of Meshell, in favor of my life, so that I can attract more of that, and so can you. So let's do this. Oh, everybody's chatting. Okay, let me read. Hi, Arletha. She said, I can, I must, I will, I am. I know. Program works, right, Paul? So Paul's in there. Hello, Helene. Excellent. Yes. There's a couple of people on this thread. If you're still there, they've done the program, because some of the people in there, they also are with me. Esther, how are you? It works. It's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Game changing. So you guys have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow night. Yay.